can assist your soap to make a whitening soap, right? Hello Jerry, so welcome back to my channel. So if you're just seeing my face for the first time, this is 8BM Organic Beauty. So I know most of you will be wondering, where am I? Okay, so right now I'm in my kiddies room. I'm actually supposed to be filming this right now in my sitting room, but because tomorrow is their midterm break, they've taken over the sitting room. They are watching cartoon. Imagine by this time, I think this is almost 10:30, and I don't shout, I don't tire, so I just had to come to their room to come and film this video. So I've been having these questions a lot, especially from my students, about colored ozone soap. So I'm here to just give my own view about colored ozone soap and what so many of you don't know about colored ozone soap. Now, when you enroll for my online skincare class, I don't think in any of my Blacksoap classes I use colored ozone soap, but I use the other type of Ghana soap, including the main Blacksoap itself. But just because I've been having this question a lot, especially for those people that have undergone some classes before they came to enroll for my own class, they've been asking me, how about colored ozone soap? Is it not good? How can you incorporate it into your soap and all that? Yes, see, first of all, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell below. It is for free, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so now let's go back to our colored ozone soap. So I just want to tell you how you can use your colored ozone soap, and I want to tell you the bad side of this soap. Many people come on YouTube, they say different kind of things about the soap, both the ones that know what they are saying and the ones that don't know what they are saying. They say different kind of thing about the soap. Left for me, I cannot just come and say something because I heard another YouTuber saying about that thing. I like to come and talk about something I know I've experienced, especially when it comes to anything formulation, anything you will use to make a particular production formulations. I like to try them, so that when I'm talking about it, I talk about it based on my experience, not based on whatever I've listened to on YouTube or from another source. So many people come, they talk about this soap. Some people will come, they will say it's whitening. Some people will come, they will say it clears acne. Some people will come, they will say it clears stretch mark. For where? This soap does not clear stretch mark. So please stop saying what you don't know. First of all, have you done your research based on this soap? What this soap is made from, what this soap contains, how it's been made? Have you done your research? I'm very sure so many people talking about colored ozone soap, they've not done their research. And even some people will even go to the extent and start saying the yellow one is for brightening, the pink one is for whitening. Is a lie. Please just stop saying all this. It's so annoying. Nothing yellow or pink is for brightening or whitening. Okay, the truth about colored ozone soap is just that it is been made and with different coloring, just for coloring sake. It's not as if it's made with different coloring just because they added whitening active into one, they added brightening active into another. No, please stop spreading what you don't know. Please try to find out things before you use them. Now I would say from my own research, because me, I like to do research a lot. Like, I'm a researcher. Yeah, I try to research a whole lot of things, especially things based on formulation, about skin. Of course, that is the life of a formulator. So I've done my research, and I noticed that number one, this soap contains lye. Okay, it's been made from lye, like the way you make your normal soap. It's been made from lye, and from my research, based on research, they said it contains olive oil and coconut oil. Yeah, if it really do contains that for real, we can say it should be moisturizing, because those oils are oils that are very good for skin moisturizing. But based on experience, when I use colored ozone soap, yeah, I won't say the soap is 100% safe on the skin. That is why I'm here to tell you how to use them in your soap. Do you know that it amazes me most of the time when I see some people saying that you can just buy the pink colored ozone soap, then you use only the colored ozone soap and use it to make a whitening soap. Man, do you want to kill yourself? I grated ozone soap without hand glove. I grated it without hand glove, and this ozone soap ate all my nails. As in, you know, when your nails, when you cannot feel this hard cover on your finger again and you're feeling the flesh beneath your nails, I'm telling you, the ozone soap ate all my nails and I can feel the flesh beneath my nail. And that day was the day I feared ozone soap. So what actually made me to come out to talk is because, number one, my students have been asking me, why don't you use ozone soap, or how do you use ozone soap? Some people will come and also say on YouTube, ozone soap can be used alone, just grate it to have this pinkish soap. Some people will come to my DM, my WhatsApp, and say they want to make all this beautiful soap that they used to see some soap at times. The soap will be yellow, it will be pink, it will be green, that what the day is in making the soap. Another person will come and say, oh, the last class she went for, the woman used green ozone soap, and at the end of the day they made a very greenish beautiful ozone colored soap with only ozone. Then I was like, what? How can you use only ozone to make soap? For that soap, for that colored ozone soap to eat my nail, then imagine what it will do to your skin. That means it can peel off the whole of your skin. Okay, so now I don't want to talk too much, but I just want to enlighten you on how you can use colored ozone soap. Now for people that for formulators, okay, especially those of you that have trained with me, you know the percentage usage rate at which I do use my black soap at. And now if you want to make your black soap and you want to add colored ozone soap, okay, just add your colored ozone soap at 10% at highest. That is what I advise you. Add your colored ozone soap at 10% at highest, then combine it with your Ghana or Nigerian black soap, then you combine it with your Ghana white soap. That is the Ghana white ball. Okay, I'll be dropping the images on the screen so that you can see them. So when you combine these three soap, you're good to go. But be sure that you do not exceed 10% of colored ozone soap. Okay, so when you combine your soap like this, you are good to go. So please do not go and use only colored ozone soap and use it on your skin. To me, I see colored ozone soap, for me, for that soap to eat up my nail, I see it as something that will do more of exfoliating. So to me, colored ozone soap does more of exfoliation. Okay, because for it to eat up my nail, that means it can help to clear off the dead skin cells off your skin, so that your cream will be able to work better. So forget those people that will come and say colored ozone soap whitens. Whitens what? I don't believe that. So please stop saying things like this. Colored ozone soap does not whiten. It can help your soap, it can assist your soap to make a whitening soap, right? It's not as if only colored ozone soap will whiten. Let me tell you what will happen when you use only colored ozone soap. You're going to become red. You know, all this Ghana soap, that's why most time, I'm so sorry for the Ghanaians here, but the truth be told, that's why most at times when the Ghanaians in Nigeria that ox this Ghana soap, there are some women that ox all this they are already mixed soap. Even when you see some of them, you will see that they are using this their soap. They will mix ozone soap, mix red soap, mix different kind of soap for you, and you will start using it. Before you know, you will become red. Before you know, green vein will come out from your body. Because you know what, this soap eats up. For a soap to eat my nail, that means if you're using too much of this soap, like you're using it in a way that is not proper, if you did not formulate it in a proper way, if you did not incorporate it in your soap, if you did not mix it in a proper way, it can thin out your skin I hope you know what I mean by thinning out your skin. It will thin out your skin, like your skin will become very thin, very, very thin and soft, and your green vein under. Everybody have green vein, oh, mind you, everybody have green vein. God created us and he gave everybody green vein, but what you use now makes your green vein to be visible. So most of the time some people will go about looking for green vein whatever green vein remedy and all that. The first way you can stop green veins, for you to stop whatever skincare products you're using that is thinning out your skin. So if you use this soap, only this soap, and you know that you're using only this, so you still incorporate other lightening or whitening powder or whitening oil into it, because you want to make whitening soap, right? Now if you use this soap will have the tendency of making you to burn, or have tendency of giving you burns. It will also make you red, especially if you're the type that goes under the sun. In fact, when you go out and you come back, you will see that you are red. It will thin out your skin, your flesh. It will thin out your epidermis, thin out your skin, and your green vein will start showing. So please do not use this soap alone. Do not listen to anybody that is telling you that you should just go and grate Ozone soap and only Ozone soap is safe for you. It's not safe for you, okay? So if you want to use Ozone soap, I'm sounding like I'm angry now. So if you want to use only Ozone soap, please make sure you incorporate Ozone soap into your Blacksoap at 10%. For those of you that knows how to convert your recipes from percentage to gram, you will understand. You'll be able to work along with it, and this is why you also need to know how you can work in percentage, because now I have said use 10%. You may not be able to know what the 10% Ozone soap will give you in the quantity of formulation you're doing. So that reminds me, okay, our skincare class is starting on Saturday, on 28th of this February. So if you know you've not enrolled for our skincare class, do enroll for our skincare class, okay? Because if you're among the early bird, we'll be giving out free skincare recipe to the early bird. That is if you're among the first 5 people to register for the class. Now in our class, you're going to learn a whole lot of things. Come with your question, come with your troubling question, come with any problem you've been encountering in your formulation, during your formulation processes, and believe me, you're gonna get solutions. So if you've not enrolled for our class, enroll now for our skincare class. It comprises of lotion class, soap class, toner, glow oil, and scrub class, okay, and so many more recipes that you will get from the skincare recipe ebook you'll be getting at the end of the class. That is if you enroll on time and you're among the first 5 people. So please do not use only Ozone soap, and I believe now you know why I don't usually use too much of Ozone soap in my videos. And even when I use Ozone soap in my video, now you understand why I try to use them in a smaller quantity. I don't really do 50-50 like me doing Ghana soap 50% or me doing Ozone soap 50%. No, that is not how to use Ozone soap. Ozone soap is not a soap that you should just use too much of it in your formulation. Ozone soap is just, to me, it's just like a soap activator, something to do more exfoliation, something to help to shed off dead skin cells, okay? To me, that is how I see Ozone soap. So if you know you've not subscribed, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out important tips like this, because I'll be bringing to you many important tips. It's not about every time making cream. Of course, this year I'll be doing a whole lot of sit down talk, like to lecture you about some of the mistakes and important things you need to know in skincare formulation for you to perfect your skincare production, for you to become a better skincare formulator. So thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.